Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2006 325 CI. The color is Quartz Blue Metallic, has a black leather interior. The 2006 was the last year for the E46 body, which started in the late 90s. This is the coupe, making it very rare and desirable. The 2004 to 2006 were facelifted. They had different lights, bumpers, hood. So they made some refinements in 2004. They even added rear LED lights. Those are factory. Only on the coupe, not on the sedans. Has motorized quarter windows in the back. Power moonroof. Really nice wood grain. It's in great shape. It's pretty expensive to replace. A lot of them have cracks on the clear, and that's real wood. This has I don't notice any cracks at all. Headliner's in great shape. Seats are beautiful. Has a 3-position memory on the driver's seat and also power lumbar. And the seats are heated. Has the M Sport steering wheel. This is also equipped with fold-down rear seats, so they go through to the trunk. Both sides will fold down. Actually, we'll get in it and start it right now for you. Everything's original radio, CD. This has the leather armrest. That was an option. The wood grain was an option. Low miles. Automatic climate control. It has a stability control. Great safety feature. Tire pressure monitor. You have our controls in the steering wheel for the radio and the cruise. Side airbags. The coupes in 2006 were factory equipped with sport suspension, so it gives you a great ride and handling. And the vehicle sits a little bit lower, so it's perfect if you wanted to put some modern wheels and tires on it to fill out the wheel wells. No need to lower it any further if you didn't want to. Here's the trunk area. Really nice condition toolkit. There's no corrosion at all. And this has a full-size spare. It's a matching spare. Original tire. Beautiful body styling. One of the nicest styled BMWs ever. I think they got every line right on this coupe E46. So power seat on this side. It's got brand new brakes on the front, the rotors and pads. I believe it still had the original ones, original pads and rotors on it. Never changed. Super low mileage, collector quality E46 Coupe. If you go looking for one of these and you try to find a low mileage example, there's not many out there. And these are not going down in value. Very desirable 3 Series. The last of the old school BMWs. Thank you for your time. Give us a call and we'd love to tell you more about this BMW 325 Coupe.